Was it a good decision? That's the type of question we always ask ourselves. For example, you outsource a part of your project and when it is done, you ask yourself, was it a good decision? It's useful. We can learn from it and make better decisions in the future when we face the same situation. Now, how do you answer such a simple question? Seemingly simple question. Well, most people do it based on the result, based on the outcome. If the outcome is desirable, they will say that it was a good decision, and otherwise they will say that it was a bad decision, right? Well, this is a mistake. Let me give you an example instead of explaining why. That's always simpler. You have been offered to play a game, and the game is fair, no one is going to cheat. They explain the game to you, and you decide to enter and play the game. Decision. You do it, and you lose 200 euros. That's the outcome. Was it a bad decision to play the game? What if I tell you that the game was that you toss a coin, and if it is heads, you will lose 200 euros as it happened in the fact, and if it's tails, you will win 1 million euros. It's absolutely a good decision to play this game, isn't it? And if they offer you this again, you will probably play the game. What happens here is that a good decision has created a bad result. And even the opposite can happen. A bad decision can create a good result. For example, if they say that the game is that you toss a coin, if it's heads, you will lose 200 euros, and if it's tails, you will win 100 euros. And you decide to play the game, which I don't know why. There's still a 50% chance that you will win. And if it happens, you will earn 100 euros, which is a good result from a very bad decision. It's very misleading. Some people think that, well, it should have been a good decision. I'm going to continue doing it. Think about the projects. Okay, this is the type of problem we're going to talk about in the masterclass. We will work inside groups. It's like a workshop. It's going to be fun. And in the first part, we will work on 3 exercises, groups of exercises with simplified examples as well as case studies, real ones, the mistakes by individuals and governments in the past. And we will try to understand how it happened and how we can avoid making the same mistakes in our projects. At the end of the first part, you will have a really practical understanding of how these things work and how you can avoid making those mistakes in your life, in your projects, and in your portfolios. And then when we are done with the first part, guess what? We will start the second part. In the second part, we will have the master exercise. In the master exercise, we will build on top of the 3 previously done exercises and work on a theory. The theory is about the fact that most people believe that it's a good idea to learn from, be inspired by, and copy superstars. By superstars, I mean companies such as Google, Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, and so on. The theory is that it's a bad idea. Do you know why? I can tell you now. It's up to you to discover that in the masterclass. See you there.